Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 1-C2, radius rod end number 2, for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So let's get designing. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex, and this is building the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. We're going to do part today of 1-C2, radius rod end 2. So let's get into it. Okay, this is pretty much similar to the one we just did, but smaller. So we're going to go to the right hand plane, sketch. We're going to create a box. And we're going to create a semicircle. You go point there, from there to there. Perfect. Let's do trim. Cut that one off. Now let's go to smart dimension. This is going to be a radius of 9.5, same as the other one. 9.5. And it's going to be... Okay, let me just go center line, there, down. I'm going to go select the smart dimension from this center line to that point. It's going to be, oops, straight, thank you. It's going to be 20. Oh, no, it's not. Whoa. Man, they've done this one differently. The other one they did from there. This one they're doing from this point. They're doing from the center of the circle to there. And that's going to be 20. Okay, that's better. It looks awfully short. Okay, that's there. We're going to have a circle in the, here. Right about here. That's going to be 10 as well. So now let's go to feature, extrude, midpoint, and that's going to be how wide? 19. And done. Now we need to do a cylinder on this end again. So we're going to do a plane. Oh, I'll do that again. Grab that area, click the undo plane. That's going to be 12. And okay, there we go. Looks good. Okay, so now on this plane, we're going to actually, let me do reference there we go. We want a circle. Actually, let me just go out of that for a moment. Let me do normal 2. There we go. You can see now. And then we can add sketch again. There we go. Beautiful. So to find the center of this, we can go to center line. From that corner to that corner. That corner to that corner, and then out of that, no, I'll just do that. So, you know, actually, I come back in, just might find it a little bit quicker. So we want this one, and this one to be make intersection. There you go. So it puts a dot into the intersection. That's perfect. And that's done. And that one's done. That's that one done. Beautiful. Now we want this plane. No. We want this plane. Thank you. We want to create a sketch on there. It's going to be a circle. Oh, just write the dimension of that circle. We'll come back to that. That's fine. And that's going to be okay. And that's going to be exited out. So I want to go normal 2. There we go. The reason I've done on the angle is I can see on my correct plane. Oh, no, not that one, that one. There we go. That's what I want. Now, that size there is going to be 16. Ooh, I just saw a measurement on this one that was not in the last one. Shows the hole going in. Anyway, this is what, 16. So let's do this one 16. 16. So that's good. Tick and exit. We want that one. That's going to be, is that the right one? That's the right one. That's going to be 19. Perfect. And done. And exit. Now we've got those two. So now we go to where are we? Lost boss base. So we click on this circle and this circle and okay. Man, did it again. Why did it didn't? What did I miss clicking? Place loft. There we go. And done. Nope, these two profile faces sketch are required to make an opening. What? I didn't want merge tangent faces? What did I do last time? There we go. Merge tangent faces. Tangent faces. There we go. There we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now, let's see if we've got any problem with this one. Fillet. 1. No, that's not what I want. Close that one, thank you. That one. And failed. Yep. Okay. Worry about that later. I'm doing these back to back, so if anyone left a comment last video, I wouldn't have seen it yet, so. But I will do a video a little bit further down, updating any parts and that, so. Let's see, that's good. I'm happy on that. Let us now go to that one. And we want to sketch. Circle. And that's going to be 12. Where are we? Moment, blank there a second. 12. That's not right. That look right. It's actually saying M12, so let's do a 12 on that and let's see what it looks like when we do a thread in it. Okay, need to extrude. I've got about something. That's going to be 25 and done. Looking good. Okay, let's go hole width. We're going to do a thread. We're going to do from that one. It's going to go to up to selection, which will be that one. It's going to be extrude, cut. Is that right? That's going to be error. Nope, that's right. Okay. It looks. We may have to come along these parts and adjust them later on, so I'm not too sure about this measurement there. It says M12, but actually, hold on. What if? Let me get rid of that one. Let's just try something. Get rid of that sketch. Go to normal. Let's go hole width again. And we want M12. Now they are not M. So where's M? Drill sizes. Oh. M12. Here we go. Oop. right past it. Okay, M12, man. We got 1.5. And B. Before I go further, let me just exit out of that. Let me hide that plane, that's so annoying. Okay, let's try this again. Got whole wizard. Still the same one, cool. It's not actually it's not through all. It's up offset from surface 25. Perfect. There we go, that's what we want. Put that one there. Yeah, let's just grab that one. We have a dollop here we can grab. Okay, let me do this again from corner to corner. From corner to corner. Let me grab that circle. Okay, so grab that center circle, grab that line, and make intersection. There we go. And okay. And okay. Select a face to complete the specification. What? I thought I went depth. Offset some surface. Oh, maybe I need select. See what that does. What? Why do we have to select? Bind. Like this. Okay, this is bind 25. There we go. That might be it. There we go. So bind. There you go. Oop. That's not right. Ah, because it's pointed. Okay. Can we change that? Okay. Dowel hole? Oh, no, I need drill. Need drill size, because I need the... No. Where are you? 12, 1.5. Okay, I'm just going to knock that back. Is there a way I can stop that from being... I think that's it. What does that say? Angle 90 degrees. Let's put that 0. See what happens. Nope, same thing. Okay. So let's go back, show custom sizing. Oh, here we go. We do 0 that. Okay. We do 1. Whoa. 359. 20. 100. Oh, come on. 100. 200. What the heck? 9. Okay. That's not doing what I want. Okay, let's just knock this down to 23. There we go. So click. It's the same. Okay, so it's M12. Just look at the diagram, that's not that big an area there. So we'll come across that. I won't put a thread in that just yet. So let's do fillet. Let's still set one, it is. We want that one. That one. Can we do these? Nope. Clear section. Do that one and that one. And done. There we go. Come back to that later. Okay. So that's that piece done for now. Come back when we work more stuff out, so that's fine. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click that like button if you did. Got any comments, got any suggestions what I can do there, let me know. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.